Hey guys, I got another video for you, and today I'm in Mohegan Sun. I'm going out tonight for my birthday. My boyfriend got me tickets to Jeff Dunham. We had some dinner. It was a great night. I loved the way my look came out, so I'm really glad I filmed it for you guys. I'm just gonna go through all the products and show you how I got to the final look of the thumbnail. So to start off, I have this moisturizer by Kors. It's a pomegranate balancing cream gel, really good. And then I just use my Cover FX mattifying primer. I like a mattifying primer, and that one works really well. Foundation, I went in with my Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula, and then that was my lighter shade. And then for the darker part, because I like to mix them up, I did the Milani Full Coverage. I'm starting to notice more that the Milani Full Coverage is, I just like that consistency and the finish of that. I just love the full coverage. Like, Healthy Foundation feels good and it's lightweight, but if you want full coverage, the Milani Full Coverage foundation, it really does work wonders. Totally full coverage. So I'm just blending this on in, making sure to hit up every last area. I like to bring the product down on my neck just to make sure that I have like an even look going on. Now for eyeshadow today, I'm using this Crown palette. I got this from a BoxyCharm, and I just use like a regular brown transition color. That color really reminded me of my Hula's bronzer. It's just an easy color. And then I chose for my lid, it looks like a blush kind of a color, but as you can see, watch, yeah, it's not so blushy. It was like more orangey. It looks really good with the dress that I'm wearing, so it worked out. And I did feel like it was a bit too, like, I didn't want to go with that look. I kind of wanted to like lighten it up a bit. So I used this Sleek makeup palette, and it's just a couple of highlighters. I never used it before, and I went in with that. It's like a fairy dust color. It just reminds me of a little fairy dust and like, I don't know, aluminum foil a little bit. It's very foily. So I just popped that on in the middle, and I love that two together. Perfect. And then I just went in again with a little bit of that bronzery color, just to make sure to transition. So using this mascara, this was from BoxyCharm too. I really like BoxyCharm. I'm much more of a BoxyCharm fan than I am a Birchbox. That's like a whole nother conversation. But these products are really good. So I used that Lash, it's Unleashed, I want to say it's called. It was a really good mascara. I've been using it all week, and I really do like it, but it's probably expensive. So that was the power of editing. I did my eyeliner off camera, and now this is my favorite part of any look. I feel like popping on the concealer, once like your makeup looks really good. Like, I love how my eyes came out. I love that just fresh look under my eyes. And this look, you could really tell what concealer does under the eyes. I feel like it just brightens it up. And then I just make sure to do it down the nose, by my chin, a little bit on the forehead, and I use that beauty blender to really blend it on in. And I like to do my concealer after my eyeliner now, because I like to like really sleek that out. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just works out. Now we're gonna do some brows. So for the brows, this is my usual routine. I have been doing this routine for over a year now. I love it. I've tried other things. This is still what I love. It's just this Flawless Brow Trio by BH Cosmetics. This product is not more than like $8. I use the what color do I use? The middle color on this palette, and this one happens to be like medium, I want to say. It's just my favorite way of doing it. I'll link a video down below of how I do it like in depth. And now, wait, Laura Mercier's setting powder. This is the first time I ever got it. I bought it in Mohegan Sun. I ran out of setting powder, and I'm like, let me just go. There's Sephora. Oh my God. So I get it. And as you can see, I'm applying it with excitement. I am just so excited. I love it. It's great. And I bought that thing also because, I mean, treat yourself. That was probably like 15 bucks. So that like little padded thing, and then I just use a little Real Techniques brush to really get under, to set underneath my eyes where the concealer was. So that was that whole thing. And now I'm just using my normal bronzer routine of Hula bronzer. I went back and forth between cream and powder for a while. I kind of was on the stick game, but right now I've been pretty much back to powder. I like my Hula, so I just hit up all the normal areas. Now I'm just making sure to hit up my nose, and then I am going to go back in with that awesome like powdered, I just love it. It's so soft. And I baked. I just put a little bit of the Laura Mercier powder underneath my contour, and then I popped on some blush before setting my brows, and then I just used a stippling brush before going in with that setting spray by Hangover RX. Oh my God, I loved it. It was so good. It worked really well. I used it every day, and now I'm just like topping the lips off with this Huda lip balm. I want to say it's in Bombshell. It's matte. It looked really good with the eyes. It definitely worked really well. And then I just used that highlighter from the Sleek palette and I just hit up my nose and the normal places just to give it a little bit of, you know, pizzazz. And there you have it, guys. That's the look that I did. I had such a good time at Mohegan Sun. I love it. I definitely like gambled a little bit. It was a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this look. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.